everyone, Arjav here, and in this video I'm going to teach you all how to make cube in a cube pattern on a 2x2, 3x3 and a 4x4. So let's get into it. So let's start with 3x3 first. It's just pretty straightforward. It's just an algorithm which you have to do, and I would like to have white, blue, green and red as one face. So I'll keep red in front, white in top and green in left, and I'll do this algorithm. You can follow me, or if you want to go fast, here the algorithm will be. So F U prime B L U prime F2 U2 F U F prime U2 D prime B D L2 B2 U. So here is the cube in a cube pattern on a 3x3, and when you flip it, yes, it looks like that. Okay, so let's move on to 2x2. Here things start going complicated. You have to face green in front, white in top and red in right. So just do this complicated algorithm, or you can follow me. Corner twist up, and then just go to the white, blue and orange faces, and just do another corner twist up. And here is the complicated algorithm finished in just 5 seconds. So here is the cube in a cube pattern for a 2x2, and here is the cube in a cube pattern for a 4x4. Just do the algorithm you used to do it on a 3x3. F U prime B L U prime F2 U2 F U F prime U2 D prime B D L2 B2 U. Okay, it's not finished yet. Now we are going to do the same algorithm again, but we are going to use these two layers. So if it is F, it will be F wide, U, it will be U wide or U wide prime. F U prime B L U prime F2 U2 F U F prime U2 D prime B D L2 B2 U. So here is the cube in a cube pattern on a 4x4. As you might notice that every face there are just two colors. For me it's white and red. So which I don't like that much. So all you need to do is do the same thing with the wide moves. F wide, U wide prime, B wide, L wide, U wide prime, F wide 2, U wide 2, F, U wide, F wide prime, U wide 2, D prime, B, D, L2, B2, U. Now it seems to look much cooler, right? So this is how you make the cube in a cube pattern on a 2x2, the cube in a cube pattern on a 3x3, and the cube in a cube pattern on a 4x4. For more cubing videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.